Now, as some people know, a few years ago I wrote a book called Don't Forget Your Cape, What Preschoolers Teach Us About Leadership in Life. So during the holiday season, one wonders, what are some leadership lessons that we learn from Santa Claus? Well, here's 3 that come to mind for me. Number 1, he's a great listener. When a kid is sitting with Santa Claus, they have his undivided attention, and he focuses on nothing else other than that kid and their wants and their desires. That really speaks to being present, which is a really valuable thing for us all to keep in mind. Number 2, something that Santa does really well is he makes the most of the talents of different people on his team. Think about how he used Rudolph that one night. And number 3, he's focused and he's disciplined. Santa doesn't worry about Easter. He doesn't worry about other holidays during the rest of the year. His focus is Christmas and delivering a really good job of that one single day.